bó ṣe rí mi ìfẹ́ ká máa tọra wa tá bá mọ reality gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì ju gbogbo nǹkan lọ tí gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì bá gbábò sí ẹ̀dì kò sí tẹ́nìkan lè ṣe sọ́wọ́n lè ṣe.
Okay, Eshegon.
Yes, sir.
I've been watching you my first time actually on the coming
Thank you. Thank you for coming up, sir.
Okay, as an Ijebu man, first of all, I pronounce it for you. It is called Fushegunwa.
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 Oh yeah, Fushegunwa. Okay.
Nijebu land. There are 4 royal houses. Ani Kinaya, iti Oba to kọjá yìí. Wọ́n ní Fidipote, iti K1 claim yìí.
Okay.
Belebuwa. And to jẹ before Aditono. Àti last one to specialize. So bó ṣe rí nìyẹn. Irú Belebuwa yẹn sìn, Oba tó jẹ before Aditono yẹn. Màmá ìdílé màmá ẹ̀ wọ́n ti ń jọba.
Okay.
So at that time, kò tún lọ ẹkú jọba, but ó jẹ́ ìdílé màmá lọ́ṣẹ́ mu Ọba Daniel Adesanya yẹn. So he stayed there for I think maybe 30 years thereabout, a couple of years. Kí Adétọ̀nà tó wá jẹ. So bóyá máa ń ṣe wọ́n ń lo Fáníjẹ̀bù tó bá di kan ruling house. So
ṣé máa ń roll from so tí ìdílé kan bá jẹ lé ní then ìdílé kejì á jẹ or how?
Ìdílé tó bá kàn ló máa jẹ next. Yes. So
ìdílé tó bá ti jẹ last yẹn so ìdílé ọba tó jẹ last yẹn sì wọn wà entitled to sit for the next one.
Wọ́n entitlement kó tó tún kàn bóyá generations to come.
Okay. Ó ti yé mi. So tó bá tún roll kan wọ́n again ni.
Yeah. So ìdílé tó kàn sí is the Fushegunwa ruling house.
Okay.
Ruling house is very broad. Tó big gan. So family yẹn ló ti máa lọ decide ló máa lọ deliberate. Tó máa mú
candidate. Ìyẹn dẹ̀ wà nù family yẹn tán lè mú ṣé kò ṣe pé bóyá kò séèyàn tán lè mú.
No, can I please finish? Oníkálùkù tó bá wá láti ruling house yẹn o lè mú rẹ, you can just present yourself as a candidate. Kò sẹ́ni tó máa dì ẹ́ lọ́wọ́ mú. So àwọn ló máa wo okay, is this person capable? Ṣé ó tọ́ sí? Ṣé understand? So ní ilé Fushegunwa ní bó ṣe wà nísìnyí wọ́n ti pín sí méjì tẹ́lẹ̀ wọ́n náà wọ́n ti unite from by presently because there are people fighting okay ilé ni head of the family ilé ni lórí ẹbí but they came together wọ́n try to shake it okay present a candidate. So in the ruling house then people will come from different places in that ruling house and present themselves. So àwọn ló máa decide in council okay tó bá ti present ọ̀rọ̀ káàkiri bẹ́ẹ̀ ló máa okay who is the most feasible person tó kí ni ìtọ́sí wọ́n á present it from government but then that is from the ruling house. Then there's the political side, of course. You know, where people got to people can go behind and say, okay, I can do this, I can do that. Or government, government politics. There are a lot of politics of war. You understand? So, but what because got the what did they on? Call him but about the so what people only low political class, they are more and all those things. Shall I get? Thank you for
clarifying that. So ó ní bó ṣe yẹ kán ṣe but ìjọba tún lè wá tíjọba bá sọ pé báyìí làwọn ṣe fẹ́ ṣe báyìí náà ṣe fẹ́ ṣe nìyẹn almost same thing pẹ̀lú nǹkan tí ultimate sọ nìyẹn.
Yes, so foreign houses
but àwọn tó tún wá gánú ayé lè sọ wípé okay báyìí la ṣe fẹ́ ká ṣe kò dé sí nǹkan anybody máa ṣe sí
tọ́wọ́. Ó ṣe rí nìyẹn bí ayé ṣe rí nìyẹn.
Ẹ ṣe.
So báyìí sọ pé K1 sí burúkú lè tó lébòlè tó bá débẹ̀ sí nǹkan lè change.
Ọmọ òní kú mọ́ yín lọ́wọ́ my brother ilé ayé ìjùn tá à ń sọ lọ.
Ó lè bí ìṣe kí nǹkan change kó ṣe kíní ṣe understand. Hello.
Ẹ ṣe Mr. Charis Mr. Lawrence máa fún yín ní 1 minute kí n lè lo box yín.
Àǹtí.
Mr. Larry máa jẹ́ kẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ hold on sir Mr. Lawrence.
Okay.
Máa fún yín okay mi ni mo lọ pe Larry ẹ má bínú Mr. Lawrence mo fẹ́ fún yín ní 1 minute because I need to use your box kí lẹ fẹ́ sọ sí nǹkan tó ń sọ yẹn.
Wọ́n ti sọ̀rọ̀ tán náà the only thing ni pé wọ́n ní tó bá débẹ̀ ó lè change. Kò sẹ́ni tó lè change láyé kò sẹ́ni tó lọ́run ò lè lò. Ṣé tó sọ ti yé mẹ́rin but the only thing is that me I always like peace. You understand?
Okay, you are just concerned that
yes about the wealth. Yes, about the wealth. Yes, yeah. I don't just want people to be like this might become a king and there is confusion everywhere. You understand what I'm saying? Because a lot of people will come there to invest. It's a big man, you know people, you understand? And it's a very friend to the governor, to the governor of Ogun State, you understand? But what is on his record right now, if you don't use politics, that man will not become a king. Thank you. Good night.
Eshe, Mr. Lawrence. Sis BJ.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening, sis.
Jẹ́ ọmọ
Fìdípàtẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀ lẹ́yìn náà.
Mi ò ṣe ọmọ Fìdípàtẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀ bọ́ ọmọ Ìjẹ̀bú-Òde ni mí. Ọmọ Ìjẹ̀bú-Òde, bona fide ọmọ. My both parents are from Ìjẹ̀bú-Òde, and I think I know a little about this thing we're talking about.
Yes, ma'am.
We have 4 ruling families in Ìjẹ̀bú-Òde. The first one is the Belebuwa family. we have the Anikilaya, which is the Kabiyesi tó lọ tán yìí ti jẹ Adétọ̀nà. Then we have Fidipote and Fusegbuwe. Those are the 4 ruling families. Tani. After Anikilaya Ogun tó jẹ tán, ló kàn Fusegbuwe. After that, ló ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ máa kàn Fidipote, which Wasiu Ayinde belongs to.
Oh, I see.
So the problem I'm having now is, why should he come out now? Why don't he wait for his time? He's trying to cause chaos now, because we have a family that is entitled to this thing. So why is it coming out now? So my advice, Bobo, as we usually call him, Bobo, call Sempe Kosimi. I know he's from he's Omojusha Agbola ni won, but kò ní sùúrù. Now, gbogbo nǹkan tó jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn máa sọ sí wọn yìí nsìn, èmi ò like it. Because people are coming out now to say he's not from Ijebu-Ode, he's not even from the Fidipote family. And what offer? If he hasn't come out now, people will not be saying that to him. Now people are asking him, okay, why if he tossing Babe in Ijebu-Ode won wa? Why file Babe won wa? Why file Abudo Babe won wa? People were now saying different things. To me, it's an insult to him. And he caused this to himself. You should have waited till the time. Tó bá kàn wọ́n, á kàn àwọn ọmọ wọn now. Tó bá wò pé bóyá, if maybe he's thinking that the next person bá débẹ̀, yẹn ló fi lè lọ pẹ́ bí Kábíyèsí wá ṣe lọ 65 years.
Ọlọ́jọ́ lè lọ sí kó tó kàn wọ́n.
Yes, but tó bá kàn wọ́n, á kàn àwọn ọmọ wọn. Kọ́jọ́ kó má jẹ́ kí wàhálà ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Ìjẹ̀bú-Òde. You should go and wait.
His father was buried in Ekitike. Oh, really?
Àwọn ló jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn máa sọ oríṣiríṣi sí wọn. Àwọn ló fa insult táwọn èèyàn ń sọ sí yìí.
That's a lie, but I need that my drag in.
Okay, kí ló ta ló fà á táwọn ò bá lọ jáde ńsìn, àwọn èèyàn ní máa parọ́ tó ń pa.
Right, sister, but sister, right. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ kọ́kọ́ fún yín.
Mo ń bọ̀ ẹjọ́ hold on, yẹ kí n sáré sọ̀rọ̀ mi. Àwa mọ̀ pé ọmọ Ìjẹ̀bú-Òde ni wọ́n, àwa mọ̀. But wọn ò bá ti dúró, bàbá ò bá ti dúró de time títí wọn. Gbogbo nǹkan tó ń sọ sí wọn yóò máa, wọn ò ní máa sọ sí wọn. Okay. Awujale of Ijebu-land tá à ń sọ yìí, kò ń ṣòye kékeré. Awujale tó lọ, he was the chairman of all the Oba of Ijebus. And he's also a co-chair, he was also a co-chairman ní gbogbo Oba Ogun State. Kò ń ṣe wọn kàn lè fi just anybody jẹ́. Even nínú family, nǹkan tó ṣe fa wàhálà in the present family tó kàn bá pa nìyẹn. Wípé wọ́n wo èèyàn tó fit seat yẹn. You cannot just pick anybody. Nǹkan tó ṣe tẹ̀ kọ́ choose láàrin wọn nìyẹn. So kàn jọ kí bọ̀bọ̀ jọ kọ́ lọ dúró kọ́ ní sùúrù kọjọ afọlọ́ǹbẹ̀ wọn ni. Gbogbo wàhálà tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Ìjẹ̀bú-Òde yìí kò gbọ́dọ̀ rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Kò gbọ́dọ̀ I mean everybody nísìnyí èmi àtàbúrò mi ẹ lè imagine àbúrò mi ń support wọn èmi ń wò pé nǹkan tó ń sọ èmi àtàbúrò mi láti máa argue.
lẹ́bàá ti pín ayé sí méjì.
You can imagine nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní àwọn families ń sìn nìyẹn. We don't need that, please. Kọjọ, I'm begging him. You should just go and wait for his time. Wọ́n ti mo fẹ́ sọ nìyẹn. Yeah. Ẹ sọ nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ sọ.
Check Mr. Charles.
No, mo fẹ́ gbọ́ nǹkan tó fẹ́ sọ.
Okay.
Yeah, nǹkan tí lady yẹn sọ, she's right. Commercially and power ruling houses. But then, if you look at the history, look back in the history of Bayi choose and Awujale, there are times that the next ruling house to back come. Sometimes one man jump one due to one reason or the other. Maybe the next man that's supposed to be produced in that ruling house, one thing happened, they couldn't produce that person. They would just jump to the next ruling house.
Because the kan sọ nìyẹn pé àwọn Fùṣẹ́gúwà yẹn pé ẹnu wọn ò tí kò pé nǹkan tó wà social media ni ẹjọ́ ó ẹsẹ̀ gbà mí.
No, nǹkan tí mo sọ ni pé things happen in that àwọn
sílẹ̀ pé wọ́n ní láti lọ.
Sisi Dúpẹ́ ẹjọ́ jẹ́ kí n sáré round up kí n bọ́ sílẹ̀ ẹjọ́.
Yes ma'am.
Nǹkan tí brother yẹn sọ sí pé tẹ́nu wọn ò bá kò. You need to see this family.
I didn't say that.
Ẹni pé tẹ́nu wọn ò bá kò wọ́n máa jump lọ sí another family.
That was what he said. Yeah, of course. Yeah, I said that, yes.
Kò lè ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú family yẹn, kò lè ṣẹlẹ̀. And one thing, somebody said something about.
I'm just giving an example.
Somebody was saying something about politics, but not Oba Ijebu-land. Politics, but not this Awujale.
Oba Ijebu-land, the president Nigeria.
Ẹjọ́, wọn ò lè tí òṣèlú bọ ilé yìí. Wọn ò lè tí òṣèlú.
Àti hold on. Nílẹ̀ Haúsá wọn jọba tó wà lọ fẹ́ lómi síbẹ̀.
Ẹ̀yẹ nílẹ̀ Haúsá nìyẹn. Nílẹ̀ Haúsá lè ní Ìjẹ̀bú-Òde lajú, Haúsá ò lajú. Àwa lajú jù yẹn lọ. Ilẹ̀ Haúsá wọn ò lajú. Ìjẹ̀bú-Òde la máa ń sọ Ìjẹ̀bú. Ẹjọ́, wọn ò lè fi politics. Ẹjẹ́ parí submission mi.
Abọ̀jẹ̀jẹ̀ fún yín 1 minute kẹ́ fi parí.
Sisi Dúpẹ́ mi ò tẹ̀sán kankan mọ́ mo ti sàn kan ti fẹ́ sọ bọ̀. Kọ́ máa sọ pé máa ti politics bọ̀. No, wọn ò lè ti politics bọ̀ eléyìí.
Yóò sọ ni wípé o Ìjẹ̀bú òkèrè nú ayé kò ṣe Ìjẹ̀bú.
Àkèrè o.
Post Awujale kò ṣe post tíjọba lè
tẹ̀ ìbò. Yes.
Sisi Dúpẹ́ mo fẹ́ dá sọ kankan ṣe rí gbogbo wa nìkan máa ń dùn tó bá bọ́ sọ́dọ̀ wa. She said everything perfectly okay, but mi kì í fẹ́ kẹ́ni kọ́kọ́ tanra ẹ̀ ìjọba ju anything lọ tí ìjọba bá fẹ́ gbé àbùsídé kò sí tẹ́nìkan lè ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ ìjọba amúnimóògùn ni wọ́n.
irọ́ ni ṣe ló power ẹ̀.
ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ̀rọ̀
àfẹ́ràn tí ò dáa nílẹ̀
Yorùbá. Sísá Ṣàbí hold on.
mo ṣì ní 13 seconds.
ẹ ní sùúrù
wọ́n ní wọn ò ṣe lọ lò ní Ìjẹ̀bú-Igbó tó dẹ̀ ní ọba Ìjẹ̀bú-Igbó kan tó jẹ́ for years kò sọ́ba Ìjẹ̀bú-Igbó kí ló dé tí wọ́n ṣe
lò Ìjẹ̀bú-Igbó
wọ́n ṣe lọ lò Ìjẹ̀bú-Igbó
wọ́n para
ẹ má jẹ́
Sísúdúpẹ́ bring me down.
Charis àti Sàmọ̀jẹ̀ máa yábọ̀ sí.
No brother, ẹ má
ẹni sùúrù
ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ tó
ẹ jẹ́ kí ultimate sọ nǹkan tó fẹ́ sọ ní
sùúrù náà. Ṣẹ́rí kò ń wá pé kàn shit anybody.
Kò lè work ní Jẹ̀bú.
Mr. Larry hold on, ayé máa sọ̀rọ̀ please, kò síbi tó ju gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì lọ. Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa ṣe ra wa létí. Ohun tí ò da, but kò sẹ́dá kan tó
as you're coming in, please mute.
Ohun tí ò da, but ọ̀n lè lo kíní kan bì kan ẹyẹ fèkì ara yín, gbogbo wa mọ̀. Kò sẹ́ni tó fábò sí, kò sí tó ju ìjọba lọ. Tíjọba bá gbé ṣe ẹ̀dẹ́, kò sẹ́nibọ̀dì tó ju gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì lọ. So ẹ má jẹ́ ká máa tọ́ra wa, lè lóńbì kan. Èmi ò ní ìdíkà tọ́ra wa. I don't support pé kàn ṣe nǹkan tí ò dáa. But when the government said this is what we want to do, kò sí onítọ̀hún. Ẹyẹ ìjà tọ́ra wa o.
You are one of his fans. That's why you are saying all these things. You are one.
I'm not talking about fans. I'm talking about government. I don't love him to be there. Stop turning things up and down.
No. If I understand Ultimate right, Ultimate is not saying that I'm supporting him.
I don't want him there.
Wípé ó yẹ kán débẹ̀ o kò yẹ kán débẹ̀ o tí ìjọba bá sọ wípé àwọn ló máa wà ńbẹ̀ wípé kò sí nǹkan tí anybody lè ṣe nǹkan tí Ultimate ń sọ nìyẹn. So it's not about him.
Why is he saying that all the time? Is he all about politics?
Mr. Ultimate, ẹ ṣé. Mr. Larry.
Mr. Ultimate, hold on. It is my turn, no.
Hello.
Yes.
Sasha, ẹ jẹ́ ká tó mo kọ́lẹ̀ ẹ ní sùúrù everybody máa sọ̀rọ̀. Tá bá fẹ́ tó bó ṣe yẹ ká tó bí mo ṣe kọ́lẹ̀ is ọmọ bàbá, then Speechless, then Sister Ṣàbí, then Mr. Larry.
Anyway, okay. Good afternoon, good morning, everybody. Thank you so much for joining Sister Duke's live stream show.